let's go do some autocross. Okay, here we go. Made it. So we're just gonna go get teched in. We're at the Houston Police Academy for an autocross day. So we're gonna go get teched in, make sure everything passes. I just gotta throw the classing stickers on here, just put a little tape, and we'll be ready to go. Hopefully you guys can hear me, but we're all teched in. So we're in run group 2. We'll be going up here in a second. So we're all ready. Got the tire pressures down. I'm gonna have, starting at 28 PSI, 28 and a half. So I'll check them after a few runs, but autocross, it's a little difficult to get them to warm up. We're gonna do 4 runs today. We're in run group 2. So run group 1 is finishing right now, and then we'll be up. Doesn't look like too bad of a course. So I'm gonna get some POV videos for you guys, and let's go have some fun. Well, unfortunately we got quite a bit of rain, so the whole every session was pretty wet. Just took a little bit of time to try and get used to these. I'm on RE71 RSs, so they're a 200 treadwear tire, semi-slick, in the rain, lots of camber. So there was a very, very, very little grip, as I bet you guys could tell. So overall, it's a pretty good day. Car did great, no real issues, but just a little warm up for the rest of the season before I do some more track days. So overall, pretty happy with it. Car drove well, no issues. Suspension felt pretty good. Probably a little stiff, but we only did 4 runs, so probably not worth making any changes, especially in the wet. Luckily, we're not too far from home, so before the weather gets any worse, we've got a lightning delay right now, but we're all done for the day. So before it gets any worse, let's head back home. That was quite a drive back home. So a lot of rain, some really torrential downpour there, but not the most fun in these on these 200 treadwear tires. But you know, it is what it is. We made it back, but overall, good day. You know, autocross is a great way to get started. You don't really need to do anything to your car. Most stock cars will take it. It's only like a 50 to 60 second run. So there's no worries about, you know, if you don't have the best tires or brakes or fluid or lines, tune, alignment, it doesn't really matter. It's such a short run anyways. You can really take any car out there that you want, but it's a super good way. It's a very slow speed compared to tracks. So it's a great way to get started, kind of get your feet wet on, you know, what it looks like, what it feels like, what it kind of feels like to push a car to the edge, a little bit on that edge of traction. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I hope the angles came out well of the on-track, the POV driving videos. So if you enjoyed, please leave a like, leave a comment. I'll see you guys in the next video.